stood by me, yeah, you never switched up. Even in all the times I messed up. Yeah, you were one in a million.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola. If you're new here, we upload every Tuesday. Today we're gonna be doing a DIY project. Yeah, we do it all on this channel, so make sure you subscribe. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got from this to this. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, so you will need a power drill. I got this Milwaukee brand drill from my local Home Depot. I literally rented it for 4 hours. It's a very good drill. I do recommend this renting. However, if you are a homeowner, go ahead and buy one. But for today, we're just renting. More affordable that way anyway. For 4 hours, it was $16 again at your local Home Depot. And I'm showing you everything that's inside the kit. Now, this piece is the most important piece. This is a 2-inch hole driller. I got 2 different options. So this is a 2-inch. He gave it to me for free because, you know, I'm nice like that. Now, this is the other side. This is 1 3/8. It's a little bit smaller. I wanted options. I didn't want to have too big of a hole or too small of a hole. I got zip ties. And you're also going to need a marker or a pen so you can mark where you are going to drill into. And then also here's some tape. I use duct tape. You're going to need that in order to get everything organized. Now I'm just giving you guys a look at what we're going to transform. Now this is literally my husband's entertainment center, but I have to get it organized in time for the holidays. Subscribe for the holidays. Look how prepared I'm getting for the holidays. I'm showing you guys the 3 holes I'm going to drill. I'm only drilling a total of 3 holes, and y'all don't really feel like you need more than that. If you want to drill more, it's up to you, but that's what's going to work for us. I do feel like you have to make your own plan and figure it out on your own what you want to do for your particular setup. Now, this is me marking up the actual spot of where I want to drill my 3 holes. So that was the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Now, my husband's going to do the drilling because it'll be easier for me to record. But I do think that you can do this by yourself. You don't need a partner. But if you do have a partner, definitely, you know, teamwork make the dream work. He's going to do all the drilling, though. He likes it. Like it's his thing. You just want to make sure it's nice and tight. Do a little test run. Make sure it doesn't fly off. So first we want to start with the top hole. We're going to drill down into the center. By the way, I got this entertainment center. I feel like that's like so 1990s of me. But it's an entertainment center. I got it from Wayfair. But yeah, he's just drilling in. It's really quick and easy. This one was a little bit more dull because, again, the Home Depot man gave it to me. So it didn't go as smoothly as our new one. We used the smaller one. It was definitely just shoot, went right through. But yeah, he's slowing up. He's taking his time. I do think that everybody should take their time when they're doing these DIY projects. I know YouTube videos make them look so easy, but you need to take your time. Because you don't want to mess up. Like, you only get one shot, you know? It's important. But that's the hole. came out really well. And I'm going to do the one on the side. I know these cords are in the way. My bad for my filming abilities. I was trying to do a lot. Oh, I switched it up for y'all. Look at me. YouTuber. He went through again, but still a good hole. And this is the smaller size that I showed you. Literally like seconds he was in. Boom, in. Perfect hole. Boom, boom, boom. So those are the 3 holes I drilled. So now I'm going to get where we plug everything in, like that little piece, the extension cord, taped to the actual piece, the furniture piece. Now I'm using duct tape. You can do other things. You could do Velcro. You could do glue, wood glue, but I didn't want to do that. Nothing that permanent. I chose duct tape because I'm about to put up the Christmas tree, so I want to make sure it can still be flexible. So right now we're just going to duct tape that actual white piece to the furniture piece. I did 3 of them, and I'm showing you how I folded them up. Did 3, and just gonna press, and that's some duct tape. Man, it's the greatest invention in the world. And then it just sticks there. Now I'm using these zip ties to like tidy up the cords. I know that you're gonna still be able to see them a little bit if you're looking for them, but they're not hanging out the front. I think this is a great, alternative to what I just had for like a year. It was like giving me so much anxiety. So after I put the zip tie on, I cut out the excess. And that's it. Boom. Less than $40. I was able to fix that. I think it came out amazing. I think even the side plugs came out amazing. Now I can put my Christmas tree up. It's going to be a good day. I hope you guys sincerely enjoyed this video because I think I do my thing when it comes to DIY. I throw y'all for a loop every week. So make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend. I enjoy you guys. I love you guys. And I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.
I hit the day by the